to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. So it is an easy workaround. So here is a step-by-step tutorial for both iPhone and Android. So let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then, once inside the TikTok app, make sure that you are in the profile icon. Now, once you are in your profile, tap on your drafts folder and choose the draft you want to save without posting it. So here, as you can see, I only have one draft. Let's simply tap on it. Then tap on the share icon available at the top right. Once you tap on this share icon, you can see save with watermark option available there. Simply tap on it and it will be saved to your device. You can now simply go back to the home screen of your device. Then open the photos and here you can find your saved TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.